Understanding oven spring, a key concept in baking. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's crucial in the world of baking: oven spring. This term may sound a bit mysterious, especially if you're new to baking or learning English. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and why it's so important for bakers. Oven spring refers to the final burst of rising that dough experiences when it's first put in the oven. This happens because the heat causes the gas bubbles in the dough to expand rapidly, making the dough rise quickly. This is a critical moment in baking, especially for bread, as it determines the final texture and appearance of the baked good. The science behind oven spring is quite fascinating. It involves yeast fermentation, gluten structure, and starch gelatinization. When the dough is heated, the yeast works faster for a short period, creating more gas. At the same time, the gluten structure sets, and the starches in the flour gelatinize, which helps to trap the gas and form a light, airy structure. Several factors can affect the oven spring of your dough. 1. Yeast activity. Active and healthy yeast is essential for a good rise. 2. Dough temperature. Warmer dough tends to have a better oven spring. 3. Oven temperature. A hot oven is crucial. If the oven is not hot enough, the dough won't get that burst of heat it needs. 4. Steam. Introducing steam into the oven at the beginning of baking can help improve the oven spring by keeping the outer layer of the dough flexible. And that's oven spring for you. Understanding this concept can really elevate your baking skills and help you achieve better results in your bread and pastries. We hope this video has been enlightening and will assist you in your English language learning journey, especially if you're passionate about baking. Happy baking and learning!